on today's ride. Rutland Water today. Gonna give it a blast round, see how we get on. Bring it back in a minute. Let me get something a bit more interesting. Oh, it's full of water. It's probably the fullest I've ever seen it. Well, hardly surprising it's full with all the rain we've had. Silly me.
Lying naked underneath a liquid sky. I had no past as time was moving backwards. Just the burning sun reflected in my eyes. Burning sun.
Here we are, just doing a bit of experimenting, finding out new trails.
Where every life's condemned to be undone. Take me back to where it all once started. take it all back home to the yellow burning sun. And then I dreamt I fell in love with every heartbeat. Oh, I got up from my knees and learned to run. I saw things be born and I saw things a dying in the haze of the yellow burning sun. Burning sun. The burning sun. The burning sun. The burning sun. The burning sun. I dreamt I had a dream out in the desert, lying naked underneath a liquid sky. I had no past as time was moving backwards, just the burning sun reflected in my eye. The burning sun.
Here we are, South Shore, Rutland Water, welcome. So I've still got a couple of miles to go yet.